Have you ever felt like your closet just doesn't work for you? Maybe it's too small, lacks proper storage solutions, or simply doesn't have sufficient lighting. Designing a custom closet is an exciting opportunity to create a space tailored to your specific needs. That's why I'm here to help guide you through the essential aspects of custom closet design, ensuring your new closet is both functional and beautiful. I'm Sofia Alonso with AV Architects and Builders, where we have been designing and building custom luxury homes for over 2 decades. Today, we're discussing how to design your dream custom closet, combining functionality with your own personalized style. One of the first decisions you'll need to make when designing a custom closet is whether you and your partner will share the space or have separate closets. Both options have their benefits, and the choice largely depends on your personal preferences, the size of your home, and your daily routines. Sharing a closet can be a great way to maximize space, especially if you live in a smaller home or apartment. A shared closet requires careful planning to ensure that both partners have adequate space and that the layout is intuitive and easy to navigate. When designing a shared closet, consider zoning. Divide the closet into zones for each person. This can be done by assigning different sections of hanging space, shelves, and drawers to each partner. Symmetry. Create a balanced design by mirroring storage solutions on both sides of the closet. This can help create a sense of balance and make the space more visually appealing. If space allows, having separate closets can be a luxurious option that offers more personalized storage solutions. Each person can have a closet tailored specifically to their wardrobe and preferences, leading to a more organized and efficient space. When designing separate closets, consider customization. Each closet can be customized to fit the specific needs of the individual, from hanging space to shelving and specialized storage. Privacy. Separate closets offer a sense of privacy and individuality, allowing each person to organize their space in a way that suits them best. Space allocation. Ensure that the space allocated to each closet is proportional to the amount of clothing and accessories each person owns. Before diving into the design process, it's crucial to conduct a thorough audit of your wardrobe. Understanding what you own and how you use your clothing and accessories will guide your design decisions and help you create a closet that meets all your needs. Closet hanging space can be categorized into long hanging and short hanging, each serving different types of clothing. Long hanging space is designed for items like dresses, coats, and gowns. If your wardrobe includes a significant number of these pieces, be sure to allocate enough long hanging space in your closet design. Short hanging space is ideal for tops, skirts, pants, and jackets. Short hanging sections can be stacked to maximize vertical space, providing more room for additional storage options like drawers or shelves. Certain clothing items, such as sweaters, t-shirts, and casual wear, are better suited to shelving than hanging. Hanging these items can stretch them out, leading to misshapen garments over time. When planning your closet, consider the following. Incorporate adjustable shelves to accommodate different types of folded clothing. This flexibility allows you to change the configuration as your wardrobe evolves. Decide whether you prefer open shelving, which keeps items visible and easily accessible, or closed cabinets, which can create a cleaner, more streamlined look. Athleisure and athletic wear, such as leggings, sports bras, and workout tops, are best stored in drawers. These items are often made of stretchy fabrics that can lose their shape if hung. Drawers also help keep these items organized and easy to find. Consider adding the following. Shallow drawers are perfect for smaller items like socks, undergarments, and accessories. Deep drawers are ideal for bulkier items like sweatshirts, yoga pants, or gym bags. Women's wardrobes often include a diverse range of clothing and accessories, each requiring specific storage solutions. When designing a custom closet for a woman, consider the following elements. A well-designed closet should include ample long hanging space for dresses and gowns. This area should be tall enough to accommodate even the longest garments without them dragging on the floor. Shoes are a significant part of many women's wardrobes, and they require careful consideration in the closet design. Angled pull-out shoe racks are ideal for displaying and organizing heels and flats. These racks not only keep shoes in place, but also make it easy to see and access your collection. On the other hand, or in this case, foot, boots require a taller storage space to prevent them from getting squished or damaged. Consider adding dedicated shelving or cubbies specifically for boots. If you're a sneaker enthusiast, consider incorporating pull-out shelves or clear boxes to keep your sneakers organized and protected. When designing your custom closet, it's essential to consider a specialized storage solution for your accessories. Properly organizing items like purses, jewelry, belts, and scarves ensures they remain in good condition and are easy to access. Here are some key features to incorporate. Use cubbies or open shelves to store and display handbags. Ensure the shelves are deep enough to accommodate larger bags while keeping them easily visible and organized. Incorporate velvet-lined drawers with compartments to organize rings, necklaces, bracelets, and other delicate items, ensuring they are neatly stored and protected. Install dedicated racks or hooks to keep belts and scarves organized and tangle-free, making them easy to find and preventing damage. Men's wardrobes typically require different storage solutions, focusing on items like suits, ties, and shoes. When designing a custom closet for a man, consider the following elements. Men's closets often need a combination of long hanging space for suits and short hanging space for shirts and pants. Ensure that there is enough room to keep these garments wrinkle-free and easily accessible. Just like in a woman's closet, shoe storage is essential in a man's closet. Organize shoes neatly on racks or shelves. For dress shoes, consider incorporating a pull-out shoe rack that keeps them in place and easy to access. If you have a collection of boots, include tall shelves or dedicated cubbies to store them upright and in good condition. When designing a custom closet for men, it's important to incorporate storage solutions that keep accessories like ties, belts, and hats organized and accessible. Here are a few key features to consider. Install pull-out tie racks or motorized tie organizers to keep ties neatly hung and wrinkle-free while making them easy to access. Use dedicated belt racks or hooks to ensure belts are stored tidily, keeping them organized and easily within reach. Incorporate wall-mounted hooks or pegs to store hats, helping maintain their shape while keeping them organized and easy to grab. Designing a custom closet isn't just about finding a place for your clothes. It's about crafting a space that's functional, organized, and tailored to your lifestyle. At AV Architects and Builders, we believe your closet should enhance your everyday routine, making it as effortless and personalized as possible. As always, thank you for watching. Check out our Learning Center linked in the description below for more home building tips, tricks, and insights. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.